Yo, crypto fam, trading or investing, quick flips or long-term hodl. It's the ultimate crypto showdown. Let's get into it. Crypto trading is about predicting price movements, buying low, selling high, and timing the market. It's like playing a fast-paced game with crypto. You gotta have a strategy. Let's check out some popular ones. Trading strategies: arbitrage. Buy low on one exchange, sell high on another. Day trading. Buy and sell within the same day. Swing trading. Capture price swings over days or weeks. Position trading. Long-term trends, months or years. Scalping. Quick, frequent trades for small profits. Pick your style. Trading pros. Quick profits, secure storage, low fees, accessible. Cons. High risk, volatility, potential losses, needs monitoring, not for newbies. High risk, high reward. Crypto investing is about buying and holding assets for the long haul, believing their value will grow. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Hodling is key. Let's look at some investing strategies. Investing strategies. HODL. Hold for the long term. Dollar cost averaging. Regular investments regardless of price. Value investing. Find undervalued cryptos with potential. Growth investing. Invest in emerging, high-growth projects. Index fund investing. Diversify with crypto index funds. Long-term game. Investing pros. Capital appreciation, inflation hedge, lower risk than trading, long-term profits. Cons. Volatility, high risk, needs fundamentals knowledge, price fluctuations. Patience is a virtue. Trading versus investing. Time horizon, short-term versus long-term. Profit maximization, quick flips versus long-term growth. Risk appetite, high versus low. Market analysis, technical versus fundamental. Emotional response, quick decisions versus patience. Involvement, active versus passive. Knowledge and skills, trading skills versus fundamental knowledge. Time commitment, high versus low. Which one are you? Trading or investing, it's your choice. Do your research, find your vibe, and crypto on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe, fam. Choose your path.